beginning. But then you can stir it and let it warm up again a little bit until it forms a paste, and then you work it a little bit and then add some more liquid nitrogen. So I'm just going to pour some in here.
Cool.
And that's just freezing it. Now I could be stirring it in here and it wouldn't make a whole lot of difference. It's still going to form some lumps. Some of the internet sites that you see say stir it very vigorously while you're adding liquid nitrogen.
Oh, who did that?
So maybe that's a good idea, actually. And blowing it. But see, you're going to get some crust and lumps in there, but that's okay. Because the important thing is that you're freezing it really fast, because even though there are lumps, the ice crystals are really small. So then we pour a little more in.
Now, what is that?
Get your wart over
you're
here.
You're going to eat liquid nitrogen?
No, because the liquid nitrogen is all going to become part of the air.
You need to make that in a rich pie.
Should
Should we be getting dizzy now?
Because
That's from the wine, though.
Because 80% of air is nitrogen anyway, right? So as long as we don't do too much. Okay, so now you sort of get it into a paste, and here's the important part. You just kind of stir this for a while and get the lumps out of it.
Try not to make a huge
Get it all over it.
Smear it all over your furniture.
Get ready to make them. You gotta wear boots.
Where's your goggles, John? One size fits all. Carson? Goggles?
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
I'm ready.
Some batches might be better than others.
Ben? Okay.
So now you're gonna pour a little bit more in there, just to finish it up?
Yeah. So now I'm just stirring this to get it.
I played the fifth.
I'm just stirring this to get it smooth now. You guys have to wear goggles if you're going to do it. Okay.
Wow, look at that.
Margaret,
So
What?
here, hand this out. That's,
Oh.
now remember, it's what?
2 to 1. 2 to
But
1,
which-
half and half
all
heavy
right.
cream.
So half
Half and half's the bigger one.
sugar
You
in
can
there.
go
Okay,
over and
now,
look at-
now
Right.
we're gonna like pour some more in.
No, heavy cream. Yeah.
Get it really frozen. You can get it as hard as you want.
Sean, do you have a camera?
When would you add
have to make a website for
Yeah.
YouTube. Yeah, I got
Add
it.
this last part. I would pour some chocolate
Chocolate
sauce in.
sauce.
full
I'm
bit.
all over that
The
one.
half and half was the 2, the heavy cream was the 1.
Right.
Or
Yeah.
you're gonna do it. And I'll just keep refilling this with liquid nitrogen so people can try this. Okay.
But Dad, you wait to add the oils and stuff until last time.
Yeah. Don't add those right in the beginning. Add those after it gets a little bit thick.
Okay, here's the final deal.
Randy.
Oh, I saw it splatter.
Peppermint.